That's why I just chill. I just go and do the practical.
So you want to be in a relationship with me?
I don't want to tell you that, you know. Because when I like to tell you that, I go take you to heart and mash up your relationship. And you're younger than me. I like you in a nice relationship where you're happy ever after. Because I'm selfish of me. Yeah, mash up your relationship. You understand I'm a two-time age. You know what I mean?
Yeah, two.
Selfish.
You selfish?
I mean, the one is the love that selfish because me have kids already. Never have grandchildren and great-grandchildren. And you not have nobody. So you understand? You understand what I say to you?
Yeah.
That don't really look right. That's the sight of God. Unless, I mean, talk about God.
But for God put
But who don't want it to happen? They don't want it because you're young and you have a nice boyfriend and you're married and you're second and I have friends here, really, I'm a lady friend. But who don't want to come between your marriage and between your happiness and your kids them. That's why you look selfish, I couldn't live with that. You don't have to, boy, I don't know, I need not to let you lose.
I love him.
Okay, yeah, I
love him.
Yeah, I like him too. I told me, I think the way I'm sure does make you happy because he's a loving person. He's a nice loving person. I better me, I tell you. And a whole heap of you there in this world. Like you, where you're so loving. You're so loving and kind and honest and everything. There's not a whole heap of you there. I tell you, not a whole lot of you. I just said, go look how long me take. 22 years, me take me find somebody like you.
How much years?
22 years, I live over there. 22 years, I'm a neighbor vehicle. Pink in a stone. Print three girls, I live over there. 22 years. I remember no one of them, three. And them younger. I'm Pinky no young. Pinky about 2 years old and Pinky still gone. Children them say. A church if I go and a man she have and I'm a minor. So Pinky have more match me because I'm just 2 years older than Pinky, you know. And then you take a stop. Prim come again.